Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Marta and today I'm going to show you how I created this eye look with a BH Cosmetics palette, which is not so expensive. I tried using, or I'm not sure if I did. No. I thought I used all drugstore products, but I didn't. This is just a very cute summery eye look that goes with any skin tone and it looks so gorgeous. If you like this whole look, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Before you leave, please, let's try to get this video to 300 views. We can do this, guys. You guys can help me out. Hit this, I was gonna say subscribe button. Hit the like button. And if you are new, hit the subscribe button. You know what I mean. Alright, let's get started. So, I'm going to start by applying this L'Oreal concealer on my eyelids. I'm going to use that as a base, and sometimes to blend it out, I use either this very small sponge from a beauty blender, or I use my finger, which is what I'm going to do today. And I make sure I get all of the eyelid from the lash line to my eyebrows. And to set it, I'm going to use the Rimmel translucent powder, and with the coastal scent, I'm going to set everything everywhere I applied the concealer. It just helps a lot for the eyeshadows to apply very smooth and blend out nicely. For this whole look, I'm going to use the gorgeous Take Me Back to Brazil BH Cosmetics palette. First eyeshadow is going to be this one right here, and I'm going to apply it on my crease, literally just going back and forth from the inner corner all the way to the outer corner using the e.l.f. Cosmetics crease brush. I'm going to keep getting some of the same eyeshadow and apply it on in the same area, and I'm going to blend it out with the same brush. I'm just doing it in circular motions, and this helps because the brush still has just a little bit eyeshadow left, so it helps to blend it out better. Now I'm going to get a little more of the same eyeshadow and do the wing part. It's not really a wing, but I like to call it a wing because it gives you the cat eye look. I take it out all the way to kind of towards the tail of the eyebrow, and I like to make it look kind of sharp, so I just keep blending and blending. Then I'm going to take the small brush from Coastal Scent and go into the same eyeshadow and put it on my lower lash line. I'm going to start on the outer corner and work my way towards the inner corner. I'm pretty much making a straight line, blending it out in a straight line, and you guys can see it gives it kind of a cat eye look, and I love that. Now I'm going to get this cream highlighter from Covergirl, and I'm going to use that as a base. It's not so creamy, it's a little bit more dry, but it still helps to really grab onto the eyeshadows you put on top. And now I'm going to grab some of this shimmery eyeshadow, and I forgot the name of the brush, but I'll have everything in the description box. I'm just applying it right on top of the cream highlighter that I applied on my eyelid. Then using the same little brush, I'm going to get this red eyeshadow, which on the eye doesn't look that red, but I'm going to put it on my lower lash line, just on the outer part. I don't add a lot of the same eyeshadow, I just blend it out and pretty much extend it more towards the tail of the eyebrow. On my eyelid, I'm going to put it on the outer corner, like the V part of the outer corner, and then blend it out just a little bit on my crease, just to blend out the shimmery eyeshadow I applied. And now to finish off the eyeshadow, I'm using a different blending brush. This one's the Morphe R37, I believe, and I'm just blending everything, my lower lash line and my eyelid. I'm going to use this Pixi Bright Eyes pencil to kind of open up my eyes a little bit instead of using a black one, because that'll make your eyes look a bit smaller. Going back to the same small brush, I'm going to put black eyeshadow on top of my lash line, and I'm just doing this instead of doing a liquid eyeliner. Before I apply my eyelashes, of course I have to curl my lashes, and the ones I'm going to wear today are from Eylure, and I always forget the name of the style, but like I said, everything will be in the description box below. These are kind of tricky to apply because the band is a bit thicker, but you'll get the hang of it. For mascara, I'm going to use the Smashbox Xrated mascara, which is kind of similar. It reminds me a lot of the Maybelline Lash Stiletto, which is my favorite drugstore mascara, so I really love this one too. It's just a bit more expensive. Last thing is to add a little shimmer to your inner corner, and this will also help you brighten up your eyes, make them look brighter, make you look awake. Well, not really, but I love how it really stands out a lot. Well, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also subscribe if you're new to my channel. Leave a comment down below, whatever you guys like. Do you guys like this look? Do you not like it? And if you are new, let me know where you're from, and I might just give you a shout out in my next video. All the products I used and just everything that I'm wearing on my face is going to be in the description box below, in case you guys are wondering. And I do get a lot of compliments on my brows, so if you guys want to see how I do them, I will put the link to my eyebrow tutorial in the description box as well. I love you guys. Thank you so much for all you I can't talk. Thank you so much for all of your love and support. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!